Alright, Grand Rising, mother buckers. Today, it's the weekend, and I'm doing a little project. So, the truck has been leaking coolant for quite a while now, and it's coming right off the heat exchanger. As you can see, guys, I took my wheel well out, and those lines, I don't know if you can see them. Let's try and get a good angle on them. There's two little coolant elbows, and I remember when I first got this truck, I replaced them, and I don't think I did a very good job, and I don't think the hoses I got were designed for that area. So I got some nice perfect coolant hoses for it, and I'm gonna try and install them today. Maybe we won't leak coolant anymore, guys. Next step is drain all the coolant out so I don't pour it in my driveway. Alright guys, so we finished draining all the coolant out, and what I'm thinking, well, I took one of the clamps off and it's leaking. I'm thinking I'm gonna jack the truck up and take the wheel off, because that'd probably make it a lot easier to reach all that. Get them on nice and sturdy. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. Alright, so I got all the hose clamps off now. You just gotta pry the hoses off. Hopefully they come off easy. I was already picking at it with a screwdriver, and it doesn't seem like they're gonna come off nice and easy. Let's see how she goes. Alright, would you look at that, guys? The hose was definitely swollen and corroded. Not good, so it's definitely leaking. As you can see in here, the hose is missing now. Just gotta take that clamp off, and then we'll stick the new hose on there, and hopefully we can get this one done too. Let's see, guys. Alright guys, as you can see there, I was able to squish the new hose on the top one. Looks pretty nice and clean on there. Got the hoses on, or the clamps on there before I got it on. Surprisingly, I didn't put them on afterwards and have to take the hose back off. And now I just gotta get this last hose off right there. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? It's right there. I gotta get that one off. That one's gonna be a little bit more of a struggle, but we'll get her done. Just gotta tighten down these clamps right here, and then we should be good to go. Alright, let's keep on trucking, mother buckers. Alright, we got the clamps on the hose as tight as they can go, but not too tight to where it rips the hose, guys. You don't want to do that. Sounds like something we could potentially do, but now I gotta struggle with this hose a little bit and pop her right off. That's what you do. Alright guys, that one was pretty difficult, but actually at the same time a little easier. See up here, this loose hose, that metal hard line, I was able to just pull it up and twist the bottom piece off of the heat exchanger, and now I will be able to replace the last hose, and it'll be awesome, guys. I am loving this. Alright, let's put the new one on. Bye bye. Alright guys, so I was just finishing up on putting the clamps on the last hose, and Button has been at my house because her friend is getting a tattoo from Bucket. And next thing you know, obviously when you're doing truck work, your plumber's crack is out. And she thought it would be so hilarious to walk by, pick up my 8mm socket, drop it right in my plumber's crack. Not funny, guys.
It was pretty funny.
It was pretty funny, guys. I was not expecting it. I couldn't even believe it.
He should get the video off the Ring camera.
Oh, that camera, guys. Wow, I can't even believe this. We're just about done tightening up the last. Put a clamp on there. Look at that. So beautiful. Alright, I'll update you guys.
Dried strawberries.
Yep, dried strawberry snack time. Bye-bye. Alright guys, we're back again. We just finished doing the hoses. It's been a little bit. I ate food and hung out. It's the weekend. And so I have a fuel leak too. And all I needed was some good crush washers. These are nice because they got a little rubber bushing on them. Maybe it'll make it hold a little more fuel. Hopefully fuel doesn't melt the rubber. I don't know. I don't know, guys, but we're going to take it off my fuel filter delete. It's a little eye post sort of thing because I took out my fuel filter because I got a different fuel filtration system on the back of the truck, a fast fuel pump, guys. And let's take these banjo bolts off and see See how much I over torqued them, or if I reuse the crush washer, guys. You never know. I don't know how much fuel we're gonna leak. Shouldn't be much because this is just a return. I think I just retorqued. Oh, there it is. I think I definitely over torqued it. That felt like a lot more than 15 foot-pounds or 18. That one wasn't over torqued. That's probably why that one wasn't leaking. Oh, I left the old hose clamp on there. Guess I gotta cut that off. It's an awkward position. Alright. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. So last time when I was doing these fuel bolts, this is the old crush washer here, and I felt a little lip on it and it was a little corroded, so I sanded down the crush washer to make it smooth again, guys. Maybe that's why it leaked, I don't know. Get a whiff of that, guys. It smells like diesel. Get it to line back up. I don't know, where is it, guys? I see, where is it? Maybe I need the better leverage on it. No, no, no. As you can see, guys, this is really how it goes when I work on stuff. Nothing ever actually works perfect. Kind of like doing those hoses. It was actually a very difficult task, guys. Don't listen to Chris Fix It. Chris Fix It makes it look very easy. Guys, I'm noticing something odd. Oh, never mind, guys. It's just the reflection of red off the tail light. I thought somebody was spray painting the back of my motor red. Here we are, guys, absolutely putting the torque to these washers.
How many foot-pounds is it?
18. So we're gonna go with whatever my fingers say. That's what you do in these situations. Or we could get the torque wrench out and be smart. I don't know. Beep, 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 beep. That was like 5. I don't know. I might have to get the torque wrench out, guys. Oh, gotta tighten now. Alright guys, we're gonna go in with the torque wrench and see if this can torque to 18 foot-pounds. Oh, doesn't fit, guys. Never mind. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work, guys. So we torque with our hands. Alright guys, so
3 hours later.
we found an 18 millimeter, which is a size up from what we need, but it's gonna get the job done. And there's not a lot of torque, so it'll handle it. And I'm currently sipping on a raw kombucha gingerate that's expired by 1 year. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This one's 2 years past expiration. Maybe. I'm loving it, guys. Oh, that's got a funky taste to it, guys. Let's torque this down. 18 foot-pounds and 18 millimeters. Here we go. It's gonna strip the bolt out. Is it stripping the bolt out? Oh, here, clicking. I have a feeling this is gonna strip the bolt out, guys. Ow! It's not really clicking, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not clicking yet, guys. I don't know. Should I keep going?
Yeah, keep going and see what happens.
Okay.
One more crank.
Okay. I don't know.
That has to be at least 18.
Yeah, it's. I don't think this works.
I know one of them was broken. I thought we got rid of the broken one though.
I thought we did too. I don't know. I can't even see the rubber on it anymore. So. Oh no. Ow. You think that's it?
I think that's it.
Okay. Well,
What's next?
I guess we should put coolant in it. I don't know. I guess so.
All right.
Okay, guys, I have a theory. I have a theory to test. I'm gonna get something here to poke. Some gooseneck pliers. Some geese neck. And so I've seen some people pop a little air hole and then they make their pour hole. Okay, let's see if that makes any difference, guys. Let's see. Let's see how much I spill it. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna spill it. I don't think that helps, guys. Okay, as you can see there, guys, I pour a little bit of coolant straight onto my intake to keep the truck running cooler in the warm air, because that's what you do when you drive a Dodge. Alright, motherfuckers, I had to get 2 more gallons out of 3, so we're about 4.25 gallons into the project now, and coolant sitting right there at the top, letting any extra bubbles out of the coolant system if there is any. Now and again you'll see a bubble come up. I feel like that's how you end up overheating. I don't know. Alright, motherfuckers, thank you so much if you made it this far in the video. You guys are awesome. Thanks for tuning in. And today we changed the coolant hoses and the banjo bolt crush washers, and so far the truck has been idling and no leaks, and we filled up the coolant, got all the air out of the system, and it's running great. We're gonna go be able to buck lots of bales, and it was awesome. All right, guys, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and check out motherbuckers47.com. Be a motherbucker like us. Get yourself a motherbucker shirt. I got one on underneath here, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but I got one on. Always gotta be wearing it. Hats will be coming soon, guys. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.